How to fix sound problem on Toca Boca game. Welcome guys, I will show you how to fix this issue. Let's do it. Open the settings of your device, click at apps option, search for Toca Boca and click. Scroll this list down, click storage here, click clear cache. Back after this, click add for stop, click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store and update Toca Boca. Restart your phone now, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and